Alright, tubers, I am on the way back to the farm from FedEx, and I am on my way to meet my newest employees. They're supposed to meet me there, so stay tuned. You'll see what I mean. Alright, tubers, well, they weren't exactly waiting on me when I got home, but my new employees are here, and I'm going to get them to work right away. I got lots for them to do. Without further ado, let me turn this around and show you what I'm talking about. Alright, those are my new employees. Copert Biological Systems bumblebees. There's 2 hives in there, and they're going to go in both of those greenhouses. I'm going to take care of my tomatoes and everything in there, my cucumbers, peppers, squash, zucchini, my okra, everything that's in there. These guys are going to pollinate. I'm not doing it anymore. Some of that has some of this in here is parthenocarpic or parthenogenetic, however you want to say it. They have male and female parts in the same flower, so they pretty much produce without pollinating, but there's a lot of stuff in there that I have to pollinate anyway, just like my tomatoes. But anyway, I won't be doing that anymore. These guys will, and I'm going to get them in here, and I'm going to show you what we got to do to get them situated, because it's been kind of a hassle today waiting for it. UPS delivered it, and you know, I'm a FedEx guy. I wish our company would have done it. I could have got a hold of him, but he was within, it was less than a half mile straight down Braden Road from me this morning at about 9:30. I could have had these guys to work early, but for whatever reason, the guy took off and went way out to Mason and Braden and all those little cities out there, and then came back here on his way in. Needless to say, I'm not a happy camper. I have to get these guys acclimated for 30 minutes before I open that up and let them get to work. Stay tuned. All right, I got this guy set up. I put him in here so he'll stay in the shade, and hopefully that's good enough. Inside of this is a reservoir with some nectar in it to feed them, and then there's the hive itself is above it. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute, but they're not happy right now, so they've been all disturbed, and I'm gonna let these guys settle down for a bit. All right, this is what this looks like on the inside. Gotta be careful with this. This is the door. This is where they come out. I'm sorry, this is where they come out. This is where they go in. They have an in and out. That's each hive. Bees always enter into a different place. At least these do, from where they exit. All right, I'm gonna open this up and show you what they look like. They are not happy. Let me give you a look-see down into there. I'm sure you can hear them. They're buzzing around. They are not happy at all. Now down inside here is the nectar, and this is what they'll be feeding off of. And we just take the cap off, put these jewels back in here. Like so. Oh yeah, they're hot. But I'm going to close this up and put them over in their new home over here. And then we're gonna leave them alone for a while. And after they sit still for a little while, I'll come back out here and we'll pop that open and let them out. All right, let's see if they're still upset or if they're ready to come out and go to work. These are mean. They sound angry still, but I'm gonna open it up and let them out. This may be a viral video. All right, they should come out. There they go. They're coming out on the right hand side. And they'll go back in when they go in on the other side, on the left hand side. Come on out. Well, one of them came out, the rest of them are still in there. And he's up there. He's flying around back in there somewhere. There comes one. There goes another. All right, they're coming out now. I think I'm gonna get out of here, just in case they're still a little angry. And we'll check on them in the morning. Tell you a little bit more about these bumblebees. I've been reading about them. They're actually better pollinators than honeybees. They're not known for their honey, but they are actually the bee that's not supposed to be able to fly. Their wing size for their body mass doesn't really make a lot of sense, but they actually have, like, their wings make like a circular motion, and it creates like a vortex or whatever, and it gives them lift, so they're able to fly quite well, actually. And when they vibrate their wings on the plant, and they actually bite the flowers, you'll see bite marks on them. They actually get chewed up a little bit. They actually knock more pollen off of the plant. They actually take more of the pollen off the plant, off the flowers. So they actually do a better job of pollinating than the honeybees. Well, that's what I'm reading anyway. But these things will last somewhere between 8 to 10 weeks. I'm hoping they last a little longer. I think they fly away, but in here they're pretty much contained. They may die from the heat, but I don't see them escaping this greenhouse unless I leave the door open or these vents in the back come open for some reason. I even got the fan screened in, so it'll let the air flow, but it doesn't let anything in or out. I don't want any critters in here. I don't want vine borers, and I don't want squash bugs. I'm trying to keep all that out of here and keep the honeybees in. I'm sorry, the bumblebees in. Anyway, that's what I know about them. Hopefully they'll get out and start doing their thing. We'll check on them again in the morning. Till then, just trying to get back home. When he goes in, he should go in the left hole. But he went in the right hole. Interesting.